It's your boy J Will back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get recurring commissions using either ClickBank or Digistore with Microsoft Bing ads. Let's get it. Let's dive into my Microsoft campaign. There we go. So I'm using general keywords to promote this keto diet recipe. As you can see, today I received 82 clicks out of 1,134 impressions. Click-through rate 7.23. Average cost per click is about 51 cents per click. Spent today $41. So how this work is like, okay, usually you see me promote the bigger products, making bigger commissions, $100 commissions, $200 commissions. How this commission work, if you get, let's say if you get one sale a day, that's 30 sales in 1 month, and they keep it a subscription, you'll get a rebuild subscription every month until they cancel. So if you rack up on sales, it will reward you at the end. The next month, you'll get a continuation of sales, recycling, rebuilding. So let's get it. I got about 3 ads running. And this is my landing page. I got this landing page directly from the vendor. Come on. Oh, man. There we go. I'm offering a free keto diet cookbook. This is called a lead magnet. If you put your email in here, send you to the sales page, and they get the free cookbook. So by doing this, you will need an email autoresponder connected to your landing page for the lead magnet. Let's head over to my keywords. These are the exact keywords I'm currently using. I'm not brand bidding. These are all general keywords. Keto recipe app, strict keto recipe, keto vegetarian recipes, keto recipes on budget, Pinterest keto recipes free, and I'm offering them free recipes. So that's the trick. I offer them something free just to get their email, and I have an email automatically sent out to them to get the ebook, and on the back end I'm selling them a subscription. So today I'm gonna show you guys on Digistore. As you can see right there, subscription right here, monthly subscription, $12 right now. 7 days I receive my first payment from them, and then 30 days after that, over and over until they cancel. But with this method, you must be patient because the sales don't usually come in until after 7 days. They offer a $1 free trial, so you have to wait. Then you can calculate everything and optimize your ad and do what you need to do. But yeah, I just want to share a quick little campaign with you guys so you guys can create something similar to that using a bunch of different keto offers. It don't matter. All the keto offers that I've seen was good offers so far. So you guys just take that, what I'm doing, and twist it up, create your own kind of campaign using keto diet. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.